this thing going? Yeah, it's on. Hey, what's up, guys? InfoGeek back in the building with episode 3 of the KicOff series. Now, today, you're going to see me make my next payment, and on top of that, you're going to see how my score went from poor to fair. We're almost there, guys. My score is sitting at 651, at least on the Equifax side. That is huge. We took it up from being solo all the way up to being high, and then on top of that, I'm going to talk to you about InfoGeek University and how it's going to be extremely beneficial, my free subscription service. So stay tuned towards the end of the video for that. It's going to be an action-packed episode full of information. So go get you some popcorns, get something to drink, put the kids to bed, because this is going to be very educational. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, guys, so we're here. I'm making my next installment on my KicOff account. So we're going to click view all installments. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to hit click to pay. Remember, we're doing this together. We're in this together. You're going to see me make every payment. Now you can see I have 8 payments left that needs to be made. I already made my next payment. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4th payment was already made, which is good. So we no longer have to worry about this. As you can see here, $8 is left in my wallet. Next due date is going to be November the 7th. That's the next time I'll have to make a payment. And as you can see, there's not that many payments left. So we're doing good so far. As I mentioned, you will see me make every payment. Now we're going to click over to credit score. That's what we're going to click over. This is what you guys want to see right here. Now, you can see by the previous videos where my score was, and look where it is now. I'm sitting at 651. This is my Equifax score, and updated on the 11th. The 11th, the last time this was updated, but still pretty accurate. You know, now I am going to show you guys all 3 of my scores since that's what you guys have been asking for. So I'm going to do that, and we're going to move on with the rest of the video. Okay, so I'm going to take you into Credit Karma. As you can see here, my TransUnion is 625. My Equifax is 651. Mind you, these are my Vantage scores here. These are my Vantage scores. Now, we're actually going to do some cross promo into another series that I have called Self. So as you can see here, it is Experian 617. So those are all 3 of my Vantage 3.0 scores that I wanted to show you guys. Now that we got that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and talk about this InfoGeek University situation. Now, welcome to InfoGeek University. The link to this will be in the description below. The subscription is actually free. You don't have to pay anything for it. You can come here, as I mentioned, and I'm going to mention some more about this, but you can join some polls. You can answer some questions like this. Which episode do you want me to upload next? You guys can click here. You can vote. I'll also be putting some exclusive information here, setting up live streams, as I also mentioned, one-on-one. So you definitely want to make sure that you subscribe. You also can tip me. You can make a donation for my hard work. All types of things. Make sure you join InfoGeek University. I will be putting tons of stuff up here, like how to grow a YouTube channel, how to save money, how to get a free cell phone, how to get discounts on Amazon, like all types of stuff. This will just be full of information, and don't worry, your credit information and your stock information will not get buried. Everything you need on here will be fully organized, so that way you have access to everything. I plan on doing some interviews with other YouTubers and just kind of picking their mind, picking their brain, and trying to make this a collaborative situation. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let's continue with the rest of the video. Okay, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. It probably wasn't as long as you wanted it to be and everything, but hey, that's okay, right? We got to see each other today. I got to get you guys some new information and let you know what's going on and what I can do for you. Now, again, I spoke to you about the InfoGeek University. Now I'm going to give you the detailed information on that. So basically, InfoGeek University is an idea that I have for a monthly subscription service, which is going to be ran through onlyfans.com. Now, my YouTube channel is not qualified to do subscription services or qualified to do live streams. So I decided to make an OnlyFans account, which is going to be for information purposes. You can click the link in the description to subscribe for free. I'll be posting my credit updates. I'll be making polls, letting you guys know which videos are coming next. talking to you guys, trading opinions and ideas, running ideas by you, and we'll be able to be in contact with each other more. Now, yes, YouTube offer these features, but you have to be extremely high to get access to these features. Now, I'm not monetized on YouTube, so OnlyFans is going to take care of that. If you guys want to give me a tip, make a donation, or you want to buy some premium information, or if you want to get some consultation, or just kind of speak with me, chop it up, or have me involved with whatever you got going on, or to just pick my brain for some information on how you can better yourself from any of the series, such as how to save money, how to build your credit using your cell phone, you know, how you should look up a house, what credit score you should have for a house, the difference between Vantage Score 3.0, and the difference between the FICO score. Like, it'll be so much information that you can just kind of go through, get if you don't want to wait for me to keep uploading videos directly here on YouTube. You'll have better access to me is what I'm saying. Now, I will be honest with you. I plan on bringing in more people that are extremely professionals at what they do. For example, if you suck at math, there'll be someone teaching you how to do math really good. There'll be someone teaching you how to build your credit really good, which car you should get. You know, InfoGeek University, I really want to turn it into a movement where if you have some type of knowledge, you can contribute towards InfoGeek University, and we can help educate ourselves and educate people that have been unfortunate and not able to access this type of information. Now, I'll speak for myself here. My parents, my mom did not have access to the majority of this credit information because my grandparents, which is her mom and dad, did not have access to this information. So it's just a generation of information not being passed down from one to another compared to other family trees where that information is in their family and it's being passed down. They mom and dads are teachers, doctors, lawyers, judges, and this information is kind of widely accessible to them. So I wanted to create this service so that way I can give back to all communities who do not have this information, as well as my own and myself. So again, I want to pass this question off to you guys in the comment section below. Do you think InfoGeek University is a really good idea? And do you think you'll be interested in signing up to become a part of this? I really would love to hear you sound off in the comment section below. Make sure you smash that like button if you like what I'm doing and you like where I'm going with the channel. I reply to all of my comments as soon as I can, and I really appreciate being here with you guys. It means the world. Make sure you check out this video right here that's coming up next. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. If you have not seen this episode, I highly recommend that you go watch it. And if you saw it already, try to share it on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter with one of your friends or family members so we can help spread this education to a very, very large audience of people. Until next time, I will see you wonderful people later. Peace out.